will be having only single scooters, multiple riders. Common all 10 kilometers. Even the transmission goods, announcer goods. This control.
This is a program. Yangar and Vijay Hotel. Daily schedule. What is your address of relay?
Yes, sir.
Vijayawada.
Yes, sir.
He is the state, sir. He is the news 2 to 2:30. 2:30 onwards, air Vijayawada rainbow. Yovani.
So how many kilometers radius?
Only
20 kilometers, sir. Here it is 3 kilometers, sir. 3 kilometers will cover up to some 25 kilometers. Chittoor and Kadapa, part of Kadapa, and mainly Tamil Nadu up to Chennai it will reach.
because the fight of the
Hill
Karnataka also will be covered.
then Karnataka.
One answer.
India, everywhere it will. Old consoles, sir. New digital consoles are arrived, sir. It is under process, sir.
ఆకాశవాణి తిరుపతి కేంద్రం ఆచార ప్రసార శాఖ సహాయ మంత్రి వర్యుల గారికి డాక్టర్ ఎల్ మురుగన్ గారికి స్వాగతం పలుకుతోంది.
And 10 kilometers is 103.2 megahertz. And apart from this, we are having streaming program also, sir. You also can listen to the same. Next. So our program timings are morning 5:53 to night 23 hours.
Announcement bhi hona.
Sure, sir.
Today,
sir, we have made slots.
Listen. Today, how many times? Today, morning 5 o'clock you started. So night 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
After that, it message 2 minutes.
Sure, sir.
At least one program. And
Sure.
Kisan Samman Nidhi. They are getting 2,000 rupees. Some Kisan, Kisan one and
Yes, Kisan one.
some Kisan's voice. So I got 2,000 rupees. Prime Minister Mera 2,000 rupees bheja tha. I'm very happy. I used to do this for this my farm
Sure, sir.
activity. Like one crore మనం అచీవ్ చేస్తున్నాం మన ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ అందరూ వస్తామా
అందరికీ సేవ చేస్తున్నారు
ఇందులో ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ వ్యాక్సిన్ కూడా అక్కడ
కింద తీసుకునే ఏం పేరు ఇక్కడ షాల్ వేసుకున్నారు అందరూ వాళ్ళు వాస్తవం ఇంకిద్దరుకున్నా సరిపోతుంది
ఇంకెవరు వచ్చేమా సార్ చెప్పిన
మీడియాకి అడ్రస్ பண்ணிட்டீங்க
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Yesterday, a historic day in Indian history. Under the leadership, dynamic leadership, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, we achieved 100 crore vaccination in the country.
It starts from Himalaya to Kanyakumari, and deep forest from Arunachal to Desert Pradesh, Rajasthan, and the rivers. So we covered Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep. All the places our vaccination reached. So under the leadership of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, our government is achieved this very big achievement. So many people told India how can manage this situation. But continuous effort from our Prime Minister and Health Department, we made our vaccine in our country itself. Under Atmanirbhar Bharat, we made the vaccine and we supply. Somebody questioned our vaccine also, but people's participation and people's cooperation, we achieved 100 crore vaccination yesterday. So many countries, still they are facing the issue. But our country, we, again I tell you, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's sincere effort, and very beginning he started to monitor. He visited Hyderabad vaccine center and he visited Pune vaccine center, and personally he visited there and all, and he take the situation. And each and every time our Prime Minister appreciated the health workers, those who involved in this great vaccine movement. So due to our health workers, I want to congratulate to the frontline workers, doctors, nurses, allied health service, police people, and those who are all involved in the corona fight and the vaccination drive. So for them cooperation we achieved. I once again congratulate to the frontline workers and health workers, doctors, nurses, allied health workers. Thank you very much.